If you're an average American, it's likely that you're one of the 25 million people who experience snoring and sleep apnea. Did you know that doing mouth and tongue exercises for 10 minutes a day, every day for 3 months, has been clinically proven to decrease your incidence of snoring and improve your sleep apnea? In addition to addressing issues such as headaches and TMJ dysfunction. This first exercise we call a lip trace. What you're going to do is you're going to take your tongue and you're going to place it between your teeth and your lips, just like this. And then you're going to do a clockwise or a counterclockwise circle, tracing your tongue around the front of your mouth. I'll demonstrate.